What's going on, guys? Hope everybody's doing well. Just here at the house today. As you guys know, bike is still in the shop, getting the stage 2 done. We did talk to them yesterday. As a matter of fact, I saw a clip on King City Chopper's Facebook page. Saw that they had the bike on the lift. I did find out yesterday. I dropped by there and talked to them, and I kind of got a timeline of what I'm can figure that that it's going to be before I get the bike back, and it's going to be a few weeks. I may get into some of that. I shot a different video yesterday, just kind of messing around. I was in the truck when I went by there, so I may post that as a totally different video. But just saying, it'll be a minute before I get the bike back. And just wanted to run something by you guys. I may end up trying to go back and see if I've got some ride footage that I hadn't used, which I got a ton of SD cards. I may just try to throw something together, put out some ride video, some ride footage or something until I get the bike back. But I wanted to holler at you guys today about something. I was watching some videos this morning, saw some guys out riding. They were in the rain, stopped at the gas station, getting rain gear on and stuff, and it made me think about something that I wanted to ask you guys your opinion on what you guys do. And I may throw in some footage here of some footage that I put in one of my last videos, and actually it's in the intro, but it was some footage from down in Louisiana last year at GQ's ride when we got caught in the rain. And in that footage, some people might wonder, and it looks kind of crazy, that I was riding in the rain and had my visor pulled up. But my question to you guys, and the reason that I do that, is that when I get caught in the rain like that, a lot of times leaving the visor down, I can't really see very good at all. So my question to you guys, as far as your visors go on your helmets, what do you guys do as far as rain? Do you just let the wind blow it off? Is there something you guys are putting on there? So my issue is, if I get caught in the rain, just like in that video, with the visor all the way down like this, I couldn't see. And especially if it's raining hard, and so I just had to kind of drop the sun shield down and crack the visor up enough that it's kind of shielding my face just a little bit, and just kind of go like that. I'd seen some stuff online that was like some Rain-X for plastic, and I don't know if you should use like regular Rain-X on these plastic visors or what. I didn't want to mess it up or anything like that, so I've never tried that. As I said, I did see some Rain-X for plastic, but I have never been able to find any. I think I even looked online one time, but I can never really find anywhere to order it. I've never seen it in any of the stores around here, not like at Walmart or Advance Auto or AutoZone, anything like that. So my question to you guys, what do you guys do in the rain? Do you have something that you put on your visors to help repel the rain off of it? Do you just rely on the wind to blow it off and see the best you can? Or what do you guys do? Because, you know, I got caught in it one time, and this is kind of a different situation, but I did get caught in some freezing rain one time when I had to turn around and get my tail back home. By the time I got here, I had the whole front fairing and the windshield, and my visor had a sheet of ice on it. And same deal there, I had it like raised up. I was just kind of looking under it because I couldn't see crap through it at that point. But just curious as to what you guys do. If you have something, leave down in the comments. If you just let the wind blow it off, or if you have something you put on there that helps kind of repel the rain off of it, like a Rain X or something like that. And just curious about that. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys do. If you just tough through it. If you can see, a lot of times I have trouble seeing, so if I leave it all the way down, I feel like I can't see the road well enough, so I end up having to raise it up and then just kind of fight the rain on my face and all that good stuff. So let me know. And like I said, the video I shot yesterday when I was in the truck, I don't know if I'll even post that or not. I'm gonna go back and look at it and see if it even makes sense, or if it's coherent, or if it's just a bunch of nonsense, you know, driving around and some things I showed going through Tupelo. But if I don't end up posting that one, I'll come back probably and make another video, tell you guys kind of what's up with the bike and what the timeline is on it and why and all that good stuff. But I did post yesterday a little short acting sad because I still didn't have the bike. And man, look, I know I don't have any idea, man. All you guys that live up north, that had to put your bikes away for months on end during the winter time. And my man Robbie Stiff out in Texas, who's been without the Hulk for way too long. ATC Jeremy Rides just got his bikes in. At this point, it was yesterday, I think it was, that he got his bikes in from Utah. So I know, man, just, you know, I don't have any idea what it's like to go without for months at a time. So I just did that to kind of be comical, and you guys don't don't hate on me for that. You know, I was trying to be funny, and I know I don't have any idea what you guys go through all the time. So appreciate you guys watching, man. Just leave a comment down below if y'all do anything about the rain on your visors, and just curious as to if y'all have a solution for that, or if you was tough through it or what. But I'm hoping that the DJI mic with the dead cat, or the wind muff on it here, is working good, because it is, even though I'm at the house, I'm standing on the carport, it is super windy today. I got a lot of wind blowing through here on me, a lot of traffic going by. It's pretty loud, so I'm gonna see how that does on canceling that out, and we'll see. But I'm gonna use this time that I can't ride, because today ended up, they were talking about rain maybe this weekend. It's absolutely beautiful out here today, man. A little bit cool, like I said, it's windy, but still it'd be a great day to be out. I've already heard a few bikes go by today, but I want to use this time to try to get some stuff knocked out here at the house, get some things off my to-do list. And I got another little project coming up I might show you guys, that's motor riding related, but not motorcycle. So may share that with you guys. And but yeah, I'm just gonna utilize this time so that when I get the bike back, I can get out there, spend some time on the road. And appreciate you guys watching, man. Hope everybody's doing good. All you guys up north, I hope you're able to get back out on the road. My man Stiff Rides out in Texas. Hope you get back on the road here pretty quick, brother. And you guys stay safe out there. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy your families. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.